Okay, this is a continuation of something's missing at 10 below zero. So, I don't know if you guys remember, it probably looks a little different without the snow. That rooftop right there is missing an inducer motor and a few other things. So we're going to put some parts on it, see if I can get it up and running. I told them there's no guarantees because I don't know anything past what's going on. So, looks like I got myself a new hammer. Basically, yeah, there's the inducer motor that's missing, and I got some stuff that needs to be looked at, rewired. I don't know. I got to get those burners out of there too, and put the right limit switch in. So let me go grab the stuff, grab a coat because it's still cold up here, but at least I don't have any snow today. Might get some rain here in a little bit, but we'll grab the stuff and I will be right back up. Okay, we gotta get these burners out of here. I don't know how they mount. Oh, it's a piece of crap. Let me see what I can do here. Well, boy, did I ever screw this one up. I was up here freezing my ass off the other day, and one thing I didn't check, and I couldn't see. This thing's got a wasted heat exchanger. It's got a crack on the faceplate down there. The inlet plate's all rusted and eroded away. But you know what? I checked that heat exchanger in the back, and I did not see any holes. So I don't understand why this would be getting a rollout. The burners are pretty hit, but let's just double check that heat exchanger again. I checked it when I was here. It would be this one right here, second one from the end. Nah, thing's good. Thing's solid. Well, that sucks. Damn. Well, I told him, there's no guarantees with this rooftop when I was up here. You know, I didn't know what I was going to find. But the whole faceplate Oh yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Can I see light? Oh, I do. Look down there. You see light? It's split. It's split there and there. Son of a bitch. Look at that. You can see the light right there. I totally missed it. You can't see it from this side. I cannot see it from this side. But you sure can see it from this side. Wow, that's crazy. Can't believe I missed that one. Right there, huge split. That thing's got to be 8-inch long split there. And another 5-inch split there. Wow. Well, I'm not perfect by any means. And when I was up here for my previous video, it was cold. It was windy. And at that point, you know, I didn't look at the burners. I did look at the burners, but I didn't notice the faceplate. Hey man, we screw up. Everyone screws up. There ain't nothing you can do about it. And when I did talk to this customer, I kind of told him, hey man, there's no guarantees on this. So, you know, I might get up here and there could be other problems once I start getting it apart. And I was kind of right. So, in a way, I made a boo-boo. In a way, I kind of braced the customer for this one. Because, I mean, this is from, I think, 1998. No, it's from 2002. I just told him, I go, there's no guarantees. So, yeah, I'm going to have to go back down there and tell them, hey, I got to order a new heat exchanger, new collector box. They might just say, hey, throw a new unit on at this point. I really don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. So that kind of makes me, well, now I realize why that limit, that rollout limit was changed, and it's the wrong limit. So let me get this beast back together, kind of break the news to him, then we'll go from there. But basically that's it for this one. This is just, let's say, a learning experience for everybody. Double check yourself, because I know I'm not perfect. When shit happens, there ain't nothing you can do. So basically, I'm just going to tell the customer, either you replace the rooftop or replace the heat exchanger. I don't have a problem doing either one of them. It's whatever he wants to pay me for. Alright guys, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. The video's been kind of slow lately, just due to the fact is it's repetitious stuff, not anything interesting that I've ran across. Eventually we're getting into change of season and I'm slowing down some, so I'll have some more videos. It's been really, let's say, spotty on videos. I do have a few videos I need to put up, but we'll get to that here soon. I've just been super busy. Alright guys, like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.